Large construction projects and complex operations have come a long way over the past few decades. But do you know what hasn't changed much? The conventional processes behind creating and managing these large projects. To help clients manage their increasingly complex projects with simplicity and efficiency, Digile is launching Twinsights. Twinsights is a digital twin platform that allows clients to connect, consolidate, manage, and plan their projects and assets with unparalleled ease. This is made possible through the use of advanced technologies and tools, including reality and BIM models, data analytics, IoT, mobility, and much more. Explore the power of Twinsights and how it can help you surpass your efficiency targets. Twinsights by Digile.